This is Parkley, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's a question. Can you guess how the human hand, the petals of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting could be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our waitress of the day from listener Lucy Rose in Rhode Island will have you. Miss Rose asks, I heard a lot about the Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted the Professor of Mathematics, Dr. James Quicks. Hello, Dr. Quicks. Can you tell us a little about the Fibonacci sequence to answer Miss Rose's question? Well, that's a great question, especially since the sequence is aroused in so many forms, and many people have no idea about it. It's really very striking once you're aware of it. First, what a sequence is. It's a series of numbers, and in the sequence, each number is the sum of preceding two numbers. In other words, you add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So if we add the first two numbers 1 and 1, we get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 and 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so continues. So let's see. Each number is the sum of previous two numbers, and the sequence can just go on and on. Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about this is the sequence shows up around us in so many ways. It appears in the natural world. Natural forms tend to reproduce the sequence. For example, flowers, bicycles, and seashells look at the petals of flower. They are more likely to be 5 better than 4. The spirals in the seashell also involve number from the sequence. It's not as easy to see as with flowers, but the measurement of spiral or number of a sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about a sequence. We had two hands. Each of them have five fingers, and each finger has 3 parts celebrated by 2 knuckles. All the numbers in the sequence. Maybe it's just coincidence or maybe not. And it's not just in the natural world, it's also the artwork. It appears a lot of art. Probably the most famous is in the work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spirals in his painting, and spirals are the forms most associated with the Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in music. One of past species is based on the sequence. In a way, it's a musical part to repeat. Now, it's not clear whether the part did this costly or not. Interesting to discover all this. This was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in the early 1200s. His name was Leonardo Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Fernandez. Anyways, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to all the mathematicians for the time. So mathematicians have known about the sequence for a long time? Yes. Now, your listener said that she heard a lot lately about the Fibonacci sequence. It seemed like interested in this era kind of come and goes in popularity. Lately, it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating, and if we get people interested in this era, math and number, then all the better. Is it fascinating? Thank you so much, Dr. Chris. You're welcome.